Oil prices broke out 16% in July, breaking out to 3-month highs at the start of this week. We took the opportunity to bank 1,220 points profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club on Brent crude oil at $85.20 per barrel, with subsequently reverse position selling short. And now in the last 24 hours, Brent crude oil has dropped over $2 per barrel to the downside. So yes, we're currently selling short into crude oil, expecting lower prices as we head into next week's CPI data as well. Now, alongside this, we've currently got gold trading at $1,935 per ounce. As you know, we're long from $1,915 per ounce. The trade is currently up 200 points. If you go back historically, over non-farm payroll in the month of August, quite often it can be a rug pull for the metals, but an opportunity for you to sniper in and get positions on at lower prices in anticipation for a relief rally over August, particularly as we get closer to the Jackson Hole Symposium in the 3rd week of August. This is an opportunity you do not want to miss out on. So typically over the month of August, you can certainly see the dollar index pick up momentum to the upside. Again, we're long the dollar from 99.67. That trade is currently up 300 points. We're also selling short Brent crude oil from $85.20 per barrel. We've seen a nice drop in price action over the last 48 hours here off the 3-month highs. As we've talked you through multiple times before, you want to be buying low, as we've done on Brent crude oil, $73 per barrel. We took the trade all the way up to $85.20 per barrel, banked 1,220 points profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. So again, every one lot contract you'll be trading, that's over $10,000 of profit in 4 weeks. For every 10 lot contract, you'll be trading like that on Brent from $73 per barrel up towards $85 per barrel. That's going to be over $100,000 of profit, all generated in 4 weeks. But of course, what we've done here is now we've banked the profit at the swing high, reversing position and selling short to capitalize on the next cycle here as well. So it's just rinse and repeat. This is so often the case with commodities. Again, they're not a long-term buy and hold market. What you want to do and where you'll make far more money is regularly trading the cycle, buying back in at the swing low, banking your profits at the swing high, reversing position, selling short, back down towards the swing low, rinse and repeat. This will do you very well across the commodity markets. Again, we've seen multiple energies and metals break out over the month of July. Everything that we talked you through to expect once you hit the second half of the year, once you go into the 3rd quarter. We've seen gold prices. They had their best month in 4 over July, the best performance for gold since March of 2023. Alongside that, we saw palladium, platinum, copper, gold, silver, natural gas. They all rocketed to the upside over July. But now as you've hit the month of August, we're starting to see different cycles play out in the lead up to non-farm payroll and CPI data next week. So again, non-farm payroll, that's going to be on Friday at 1:30 London time. Historically, over the last few years, more often than not, non-farm payroll can be a takedown event for commodities, but nothing more than a massive buy opportunity to sniper in if you do get pressure to the downside. Again, I'd be more than happy to see a breakout to the upside off the back of non-farm payroll, because we already have long positions on metals from lower prices that are protected. So if we get a breakout, very simply, we'll look to scale out of more profits over the month of August. But equally, if we come back down, retest the swing lows, I'm looking at opportunities to sniper in and get better prices. So again, this comes down to really understanding the capital flows in the market, how each news item will impact that specific commodity, understanding the real-time data-driven cycles on the daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly timeframes for each commodity. Of course, understanding the key areas of liquidity that are targeted, what to look for a trigger for your entries and a trigger for banking profits as well. That will, of course, help you massively. And alongside that, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, understanding the macros, the fundamentals, the narratives, and further compounding this with how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make application to join our professional mentorship program.